Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, excited na naman ako dahil meron na naman tayong bagong work from home / online job / non-voice job na i-feature dito sa Cyberbacker. But before anything else, I would like to congratulate these 2 YouTube subscribers na again successfully paired with the client and nakapasa na po sila sa lahat ng exam. Nagtatrabaho na po sila sa Cyberbacker. So without further ado, let me congratulate Apple Jane Kirante and also Vladimir Kiev Torres. Ayan, thank you guys so much for making me your referrals. Congratulations for making it to Cyberbacker. And thank you so much for reaching out to me nung nakapasa na kayo lahat. Lahat na ng process na ipasa nyo na. Nag-start na kayo sa client. Congratulations, and I hope that you guys get also to inspire other people, especially my YouTube subscribers and my viewers, to try and apply and work from home here at Cyberbacker. Ayan, so guys, alam ko, medyo natagalan yung next upload ko ng video. Alam niyo na, naka-lockdown na naman tayo. ECQ na naman ulit dito sa Metro Manila. From my last upload, just a small update bago natin i-discuss yung bagong job is that kami ng daughter ko, tapos na kaming mag-homeschool. We are starting grade 1 this coming school year. So, yay! Ayan, so, alam ko maraming nag-inquire about homeschooling, especially nung last YouTube video ko with my daughter. I talked about homeschooling and how I make it work, you know, working from home, having graveyard shift, and then also homeschooling my kid. Maraming nag-inquire about homeschooling, and if ever magkaroon po ulit ako ng new time, soon, after upload ko ng video na to, yes, I will definitely create another content, especially dun sa ating mga mommies na working from home and also homeschooling their kids. There! Okay, again, guys, I would like to invite everyone to please join our Cyberbacker Career Night. What is Cyberbacker Career Night? This is a free online Zoom event especially made to those people who are interested to work from home, or if you're someone who is curious about Cyberbacker, gusto mo malaman yung mga jobs na meron kami, you want to meet our recruitment team, and you want to meet our amazing CEO, then please attend the Cyberbacker Career Night. This event is definitely for you. This is free, ha? All you have to do is to register po doon sa baba. Nasa description box po ang link ng registration form sa aming Career Night. Career Night happens weekly, Tuesdays and Thursdays, 9 PM to 10 PM Manila time. So, questions po ng madami. What if po nag-register po kayo this week but then you failed to attend the Tuesdays and Thursday event? Qualified pa rin ba kayo para umattend sa next week and other week's event? The answer is yes. All you have to do po is to register on the link below na nasa description box po. Okay lang po umattend kayo ng Career Night ng paulit-ulit kasi magkakaiba naman din po yung dinidiscuss na topics dun sa aming Career Night, no? Hindi rin po required na mag-apply kayo agad right away. Kung nag-iisip pa po kayo and you know, you just really exploring and looking out for your options, then you also can do that, no? Hindi required na mag-apply kayo muna or mag-apply kayo agad in order for you to attend the Career Night. Ayan. So, it's free for everyone. So, please, kung gusto nyo pong malaman more about Cyberbacker and working from home, please attend the Cyberbacker Career Night. Maghakot pa po kayo. The more, the merrier. Okay, ayan. So, without further ado, ano nga po ba itong bagong work from home job, online job, non-voice job na i-discuss natin ngayon? Very, very excited po ako, and this position is very close to my heart dahil this position is none other than TikTok backer. Ayan. So, this person, kung sino man po ang ma-hire ng tao ito, ay will be working under my team. So, tayo po, kung sino ka man na nanonood ng video ko, hopefully itong tao na po na to will be coming also from my YouTube subscribers. Yan, so I'm very, very excited to meet some of you guys. This person, of course, will report to me. We'll be working together, no, produce TikTok contents. Kung kayo po ay mahilig mag-TikTok, then this job is definitely for you. Ayan, so I have here on my computer the job description. Again, guys, I do suggest that you follow our social media pages. You can check Cyberbacker Facebook page. You can check Cyberbacker YouTube page para naman sa mga helpful tips and also updated job positions na meron kami. And so again, itong TikTok backer ay sobrang bago lang po niya, no? As in, napag-isipan lang namin siya last week, and then we decided to get someone permanent, no? Full-time. Yan. So, discuss ko sa inyo ang aming JD. Pero lalagay ko din siya dito. Ayan. Okay, so job description, TikTok backer. Community manage Cyberbacker Philippines TikTok account. So, for example, responding to comments, replying on TikTok threads, sending messages on TikTok. Number 2, create TikTok videos to promote Cyberbacker. And of course, inspire other people to get applicants or leads. Ayan. So, syempre, kung nagti-TikTok po kayo, kayo rin po yung gagawa ng ating mga video content para naman makatulong tayo sa more Filipinos on TikTok to find work from home jobs. Number 3, create and analyze TikTok analytics. Ayan. So, ibig sabihin po ng analytics is titignan po natin yung success ng ating content, no? Imo-monitor po natin yung engagement, yung views, yung reach. Ayan. And then, last one is collaborating with TikTok influencers for Cyberbacker Influencer Affiliate Program. Ayan. So, this one is new also. Hindi ko pa rin siya nidiscuss sa aking YouTube channel. We just launched a new program for influencers like you. So, if there are other influencers who are watching this video, please watch out because I'm going to be discussing a special content just for you and how you can earn money through our program. Alright? There. So, qualifications po na mga gusto maging TikTok backer under my division. So, number 1, must have an active and engaging TikTok account. Of course, syempre, kung magti-TikTok po kayo, mag-a-apply po kayo sa akin, dapat meron kayong active na TikTok account. Dapat talagang legit kayong TikTokerist. Ayan. So, must be knowledgeable on the latest TikTok trend. So, dapat kung ano yung mga trend ngayon sa TikTok, alam na alam nyo dapat yan. So, must know how to create, edit, publish videos through TikTok. Passionate about creating videos to help the community to get to know more about Cyberbacker. Must have a good command of both English and Filipino language. And last 2, of course, no BPO and BA experience required. Fresh graduates are welcome to apply. As long as you are 18 years old and above, dahil yun po ang ating legal working age dito sa Philippines, then you can apply. Okay, other informations that I can disclose right now. This is full-time, okay? So, I need 1 full-time TikTokerist for this role. This is non-voice. Although, guys, ibig sabihin po ng non-voice is wala po kayong calls, hindi kayo magbebenta, ganyan, ha? Pero it doesn't mean na hindi po tayo mag-uusap, no? It's weird, like, sometimes people ask me, pag non-voice po ba, hindi na po ba magsasalita? So, hindi po ganun, ha? Ibig sabihin lang ng non-voice, walang calls. But we have our meetings all the time. Okay? So, you have to talk to me, to talk to the people. Okay? So, ano ang working shift? Ayan. So, this person needs to be someone who can be active during the day and also can also work with the rest of the team during nighttime. Okay? So, magiging 2 shifts po ang role nito, no? So, meron siyang afternoon shift and then meron din siyang panggabing shift. So, meaning it's just 8 hours every day. Okay? So, yun yung pwede kong i-share sa inyo about the working schedule of this person, no? Kung sino man siyang maswerte siyang makakapasok sa Cyberbacker. So, hindi po siya full graveyard. Okay? So, 2 shift. Again, meron siyang afternoon shift and then meron siyang panggabi na shift and a total of 8 hours. Okay, what else? So, yun. Ayan, so, sobrang excited ako kasi, again, this person will be working under my department, under the social media team division. So, if you've seen the past YouTube videos that I've made, nagkaroon din kami ng opening about social media backer. Ayan, so na-fill na namin yung position na yun. And now, we are opening another position to be welcome sa aming social media department. Ayan, so sobrang excited ako. Hopefully, sana sa mga aking YouTube subscribers na magaling mag-TikTok, please apply and I would be very, very excited to welcome you to the team. I can't wait. Okay, so let's talk about company standard requirements naman, no? So again, I mentioned that this is a non-voice job, but you do still need to have like a noise cancelling headset. So again, what I'm using is the Logitech headset. Ayan, mag-focus ka. Ayan. So I'm using Logitech headset. Marami nagtatanong bakit ito yung gamit ko. It's because it's cheap. Mura, affordable, and it works, no? So for people like me and also the people who are working in my department, hindi ko naman nire-require na sobrang bongga ng headset nyo, no? As long as meron, noise cancelling siya, it's fine kasi we're not talking to, we're non-voice, you know? We just talk to each other all the time. So this is a major requirement, no? Na kailangan meron talaga kayo. So, what if gusto nyong mag-apply pero wala pa kayong noise cancelling headset? Pwede ba? Answer is yes. All you have to do is use earphones like this one. Ayan, so, magulo. Earphones like this one na merong mic feature. So, once na meron kayong ganito, you can proceed with your initial interview, okay? Pwede kayong magpa-initial interview kahit wala kayong noise cancelling headset. Okay lang. Use this one. However, guys, kapag po pumasa na kayo sa initial interview, pumasa na kayo dun sa other exams in Cyberbacker, and magpa-final interview na kayo sa akin, so please invest on a really good noise cancelling headset. Okay, please impress me. I want to see and hear your beautiful voice. I want to see your beautiful face, and I want to see professionalism also out of you. Okay, an investment siya. Hindi lang sa work from home job niya siya magagamit. Okay, ang dami. Ayan, there. Another is your web camera. Like this one, what I'm using. Ayan, so web camera is important also. And it's a standard company requirement kasi lagi tayo nag-meeting. Ayan, so Zoom, lagi ng Zoom. Ayan, so kailangan nyo ng web camera. If you're using a laptop and you have an internal web camera, then that's fine. You can use that. But if you're using a PC tapos wala kayong web camera, then please do invest also in a really good web camera. Basta lang po malinaw na nakikita namin yung face nyo, then that's fine. Hindi po kailangan na mahal, okay? Yan. Another is your internet speed. Dapat pang internet speed nyo ay 5 Mbps and above. So what if meron kayong 3 Mbps? Pwede ba kayo mag-apply? The answer is yes. As long as po na matanggap kayo sa Cyberbacker, all you have to do is to upgrade your internet speed connection. There. So what else? Referrals. Ayan. So I would just like to take this opportunity to again thank my YouTube community and YouTube subscribers. We are going really strong, guys. 10,800 YouTube subscribers. Konti na lang, 11,000 na tayo. Yay! Thank you so much. Ayan, so thank you so much sa lahat ng support, sa lahat ng gumagamit ng referral link ko, no? So again, guys, I don't earn anything extra kapag po nag-click kayo sa referral link ko, tapos nilagay niyo po yung pangalan ko dun. What happens lang is we find out kung saan nanggagaling yung mga applicants namin. And then when you are finally on board here in Cyberbacker, as in naka-pair na po kayo sa client, that's the time na magiging part na po kayo na aming profit share program. Ayan, so I would talk more about Cyberbacker's profit share program in the future videos to come. Ayan. So again, referral, all you have to do is to, again, scroll down. If you want me to be your referral here in Cyberbacker, para makapag-apply kayo ng maayos, ganyan, all you have to do is to scroll down and click on the link also na nasa my description box below at saka yung naka-pin comment sa baba. Okay, so use that one and that's it. If you have other questions with your follow-ups, ganyan, kung gusto nyo malaman yung status ng application nyo in Cyberbacker, the number one thing to do really, guys, is to send us a message on Cyberbacker Facebook page. Tapos noon, re-replyan po kayo ng aming community manager, and then they will get your information and we will send that to our recruitment department, okay? Unfortunately po, guys, hindi ko na po ma-accommodate yung mga personal PMs sa aking personal Facebook page at saka po sa aking Rookie Mommy Facebook page, no? But if you have questions, please comment them down below. Lagi po akong nagre-reply sa mga comments sa aking YouTube channel. Everyday, tine-check ko siya pagkagising ko, bago ako matulog. I make sure na nare-replyan ko po kayong lahat. Okay, so that is really the best way to connect to me, no? Either you send a message on the Cyberbacker Facebook page or please just comment below. That's it. Okay, so there you go, guys. Again, thank you so much. Sorry, sobrang napahaba ang video na to. Na-miss ko lang kayo and I don't know when ulit ako makapag-publish ng video. So, please, guys, stay safe. Please stay at home. Wag po tayong labas ng labas. May COVID po. May pandemic po. Wag po tayong pumaparty-party. Okay? Ayun. So, hoping to meet everyone on my YouTube subscriber. Please apply. Ayun. Excited lang ako. Thank you guys so much. Please like this video. Please subscribe. And see you guys next time. Bye!